Hello students, today we are going to start our new life process, that is transportation. So we will see transportation in both plants as well as in animals, how the transportation takes place in both. So transportation. So what is transportation? So we all know that there are different materials which are transported in the body, okay, and through means in human body there is circulatory system for of the human which helps in the transportation, okay, and human being like other multicellular organisms, they also need a regular supply of food and oxygen, etc. This is the function which is performed by the circulatory system or the transport system, okay. So the transportation of all this supply of foods and oxygen or different gases, this is done through the transportation system. So first we will see the transportation in human being. In human, the circulatory system is responsible for the transport of various substances in human beings. It is composed of hearts, veins, arteries and blood capillaries, okay, which helps in the transportation of different materials. So blood plays the role of the carrier of substance. In this, the blood plays the carrier of the substance. So in human, what? There is a circulatory system, okay. Circulatory system in human for transportation, okay, for the transportation which composed of the heart, okay, heart, artery, veins, blood capillaries, okay. So these are there are different parts which are in the circulatory system. So for this we will see the diagram of the heart, okay. So I will show the diagram how heart helps in the transportation system. So first we will see in this how the heart helps in the transportation. Heart is what? It is the pumping organ, okay, of human body, okay. Heart is the pumping organ of the human body and it is a muscular organ, okay. It is what? It is a muscular organ which is composed of the cardiac muscle, okay, composed of cardiac muscle. So we know that there are different types of muscles. So in heart, which muscles is present? That we have studied in earlier classes, that it is present, that is the cardiac muscles. So the heart is composed of 4 chambers. It has 4 chambers, means it has two sides, left side and right side, means in that 2 sides the chambers are divided, that is the 2 ventricle are there and 2 auricle are there, okay. So heart is composed of 4 chamber, okay, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles, means right auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle and left auricle, okay. So these are the 4 chambers in the human heart. And there is how, since it is the pumping organ, so what is, there is contraction and relaxation of the cardiac muscles, that's why there is, it pump the blood, okay. So what happens, there is 2 processes in the heart, that is systole and the diastole, okay. In heart there is systole and diastole. So systole is what? There is contraction of the cardiac muscle. In this systole what? contraction of cardiac muscle, and in this there is relaxation of cardiac muscles. So these are the two processes which occur in the heart. Clear? Then then next is the artery. Arteries are what? They are thick walled vessels. Next is artery, we will see, and we will see the veins also, combining both. So first we will see the artery, here we will see the veins. So arteries is what? It is a thick blood vessels. Okay, it is thick blood vessels, and veins are what? They are thin blood vessels. Veins are thin blood vessels. In arteries, what? It carries the oxygenated blood from heart to different organ. Artery carries deoxygenated blood. It carries artery carries the oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood from heart to different parts of the, or we can say different organ. Clear? And veins, what it carry? It carry deoxygenated blood from different organ to the heart. Just it is opposite. So veins carry deoxygenated blood from, okay, it carries the deoxygenated blood from the different organ to heart. Okay, in this what we have seen, it bring oxygenated blood and bring deoxygenated blood from the heart to different organ, and in this from different organ to the heart. So this is the difference between the artery and the vein. Okay, so but in veins, what? There is walls are present in veins to prevent backflow of blood. Okay, in veins, what? There is presence of walls. Okay, which are present to prevent backflow of blood. To prevent backflow of blood. Clear? So we have seen that what are arteries, veins, and we have seen the blood. Then next is the capillary. Blood capillary. Capillary are what? They are the blood vessels which have single-celled walls. They are blood vessels which are single-celled walls. Okay, they are different blood capillaries. Clear? And in heart wall there is double circulation. Okay, in heart wall there is double circulation since the blood flows twice. That's why we are saying that in heart there is double circulation. Once time oxygenated blood and once time deoxygenated blood flows. So that's why in this human there is double circulation. Okay, so we have seen about the transportation in human, and we have seen the different parts which it consists. In next video we will see transportation in plants.